Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to compare two new eyelash kits. Both of these are quite new. I never tried them before, so I purchased both of these just to do a comparison, see which one works and which one doesn't. And this one is the Kat Von D one, and this is the Grande Cosmetics, their mascara lash kit. And this costs $20 and this is $24. Price-wise, it's quite similar, but this one does have a conditioning and then an actual mascara. But this one just have a regular size mascara and a travel size mini one. So I'm going to try two of these on each side of my eye and we're going to compare. So the first one is the Kat Von D, and from the picture, it looks super crazy. This is before and this is after. I doubt I will look like that after I apply this, but this will just give you a very dramatic advertisement. So I'm curious to see how that will look on my lashes and my Asian short lashes. Oh, very thick tube. Okay, so this is the travel size and that's the regular size. And this is called Trooper Black. Here we go. Oh, I can already tell this is a very dry formula. I love dry formula. I think I did the curl and the separation really nicely. So if you want to achieve the very voluminous lashes, I recommend just use a base because the base really does something and will make a huge difference instead of just on its own. So I'm going to build until I achieve the look I want. Yeah, this one you definitely need to build a lot. So this is before and after. I mean, it's not the best mascara I've used. It's not a bad one, but it's just not as impressive. Okay, so this is the Kat Von D one on my Asian short lashes. If you already have a very long, volumized lashes, then you will be good. But for me, it's hard to pick a very good mascara. That's why I want to test out for people like me. Okay, now let's try the Grande Cosmetics, their kit. So for this one, you got two single tubes. The first one is Grande Mascara. This is the actual mascara we're going to use. And this one is the Grande Lash MD. This is the serum. So you're going to apply this after your skincare at night or during the day as a serum for your lashes. But this one is the actual mascara. So I'm not going to use the serum right now since I think if this is too wet, they will wear down the volume of the actual mascara. So I'm going to just use the mascara alone, just compare with the Kat Von D. And just a comparison, this is their before and after photo. This is more realistic, I feel, compared to the Kat Von D. The Kat Von D looks like a false lashes. I mean, this one looks super crazy. How did they achieve that? This is too hard. This looks like false lashes, right? And this one is more realistic looking. Yeah. So let's see. Oh, it has much more product on the brush. Oh, I already can feel this is losing the battle. It did the lengthening really nicely. See how long that is? But it's like no volume at all. Oh no, this is not good. This makes my lashes look like I only have 3 or 4 lashes. I mean, compare these two, I think Kat Von D wins for sure. Look at that. But this one is just not very impressive at all. Let's see. Yeah, I like the Kat Von D side much better. So if you're curious about these two mascaras, definitely Kat Von D wins because that one you get almost a similar price, but you got so much product. like this huge tube and plus the travel size. But that one, you just get a very tiny one, but you get a serum as well. The serum I have to try for myself to see the result, but as a mascara, it's not comparable to the Kat Von D. Alright, that's all for today's video. It's very short. I just want to compare these two, how they work on my Asian lashes. And here you go. I definitely think the Kat Von D one wins. And this one is, yeah, it's not as good as this one. But I have other mascaras I feel like is much better than the Kat Von D with the length and with the volume. I want the length, I want the volume, possibly with the curl, because my lash is naturally curled a little bit, so I'm not too crazy about the curl, but the volume and the length is definitely what I'm looking for. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!